Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you a really handy pocket fishing kit. Stay tuned. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to CC. He is a retired vet and an instructor, and he's the one that gave me this great idea, so thank you so much, CC, and I'm going to use it, and I really appreciate it. Also remember that we do teach survival and bushcraft classes here at our training facility in Southern Ohio. You can find the information at www.waypointsurvival.com. And I know it's easy to forget, so please make sure and give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps the algorithm push that video out to even more people. The concept behind this pocket fishing kit is really simple. First of all, just about 5 inches or so of old garden hose. I had a garden hose that went bad, had some splits in it, and I kept some parts of it, so I just cut a section off that was still good. On the outside, wrapped around here, behind the red and the white electrical tape, is about 30 feet of fishing line with a fishing hook already attached. So that makes it really handy, ready to go. You can just cast off of this if you wish as a hand fishing line, sort of like a hobo fishing reel. At the one end is a wooden plug that has been sanded off to fit just perfectly, nice and tight. You could put a couple of brad nails in here if you wish to hold that more securely. At the other end is a simple cork, just wedged in there, and a piece of a toothpick that we can use to wedge the line in, and this will act as a float. First thing we dump out is a small plastic tube, and this is full of fishing hooks. There are some number 6 and some number 4 and a couple of number 2 hooks. So there's about 20 hooks in here that I can use to fish with, and I put it in here so I don't lose it. Next, we have an assortment of lead sinkers, just split sinkers, and swivels. The swivels are in case I wish to put out some trot lines, and that pretty much fills out what we have left in here. Now, when you're fishing, you've got all the rest of your equipment inside of the tube. Once you take this tape off, then you just simply put it over the top to hold the rest of the contents secure so you don't lose it while you're fishing. To put it back together, I put the split shot in first, shake that down at the bottom, and then we put in all of our swivels, just like so. Shake that down. Then the hooks, and make sure that's down as far as you can get it. And then I keep the toothpick to one side because there's that little handle there to pull on for the lid to open up the hooks. So that goes to one side. That's pressed firmly in place. Now it won't come out. You can carry it. This will float, and it's just great to carry in your kit or your pocket. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below, just under the More button. And while you're down there, you'll also find our waypointsurvival.com link. And this is where you can sign up to take great survival and bushcraft training classes here at our beautiful facility in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.